Hello friends, today we are going to discuss job application. We had already done resume writing. We usually attached resume or CV with the job application. Getting a job is a long way process. This process starts with writing a job application by the job seekers and ends with the final selection of candidate by the employer. Employment application or job application means the letter written for getting a job. A job application letter is written to apply for a specific position in any organization, as well as job application is your chance to present yourself to an employer explaining why you are an ideal candidate for a specific position. The job application letter is used as a device to feature the applicant's best qualification, qualities, experience, skills, etc. Now, purpose of job application. The main purpose of the job application is to obtain information about the candidate's personal data like name, contact information, eligibility, skills, employment history, list of references. It gives the chance to highlight your abilities, skills, knowledge, qualifications, and personal characteristics. Characteristics of a good job application. A good job application clearly outlines applicable skills and achievements. One should be positive in content, tone, word choice, and expectations. One should show how you will help the organization in achieving its goals. Show the confidence, assertiveness, desire to learn and to take initiatives. Show the ability of managing multiple priorities. Show the candidate's flexibility and adaptability. Focus on the employer's expectation and explain how your experience matches the job requirements. Job application moves from general to specific information. It should be clearly written on A4 size paper. It should be free from inappropriate language such as slang or technical jargon. It should be clear and concise, easy to read, free from spelling, grammar, and punctuation errors. One should use high quality printing, stationery, and envelopes to write application and to send application. There are two types of job application letters, solicited and unsolicited. Solicited letters are usually written in response to advertisements from the employer side, whereas unsolicited letter is usually written from the candidate's own side. This is an example of solicited job application. One thing that is noticeable in this job application is that the very first line shows the reference of the advertisement. This is with reference to your advertisement in the Times of India of February 15, 2020 for the position of a project engineer. That means in this you have to refer from where you come to know about the vacancy. Whereas unsolicited job application, it's actually the application from the candidate's side, and there is no vacancy announced or published by the organization or by the employer. Your job application should be written in such an effective way that one should get an interview and the final selection and a call from the employer that you are hired, welcome, you can work with us. I hope that you must have understood about the job application. Thank you.